there's a lot of expectations from our customer stakeholders, their shareholders, to deliver value quickly. And quite often we see that the most successful organisations, in a lot of cases even starting small, focusing on the highest value. And so a couple of customers come to mind. One of them is DIMOCO. They're a leader in internal payment. They actually manage an incredible, I think it's about 2 million plus transactions per day. And they really got this right. They had a clear objective around how they would drive development agility at scale. That was certainly the top priority from their engineering team. With SUSE Rancher, they were able to actually deliver an 80% reduction in management time, 75% reduction in maintenance and update time. And really what this meant is that they were really able to support the growth ambitions of the business. Another customer, Ubisoft, I think a name that a lot of us know, certainly those that are familiar with gaming. They took the challenge of growth head on in terms of how they looked at their technology. They had a clear goal in mind, which was to actually use the technology to gain a competitive advantage in the market, really driving innovation, and really focus on driving some really serious management efficiencies. So we partnered with Ubisoft. They utilised, again, SUSE Rancher to give their internal teams the ability to innovate with Kubernetes and to create actually new services and applications, not just for their internal stakeholders, but actually for their customers in real time. And they got some outstanding results through that.